Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mike G, and today we're making a smashed turkey burger. You didn't try the beef, now try the turkey burger. You're gonna like this. Crispy edges, melted cheese with a big giant flavor. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Let's get started. Thanks for coming back to my channel, guys. I hope you all are doing well. All right, y'all, these are my ingredients that I'll be using for this smashed turkey juicy burger that we're going to use. I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description box for you guys. And we're going to butter up our rolls right now. We're going to use a little bit of butter to butter these rolls up. Use a cast iron skillet. Again, I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description box for you guys. Simply toast your buns in this golden brown. So I'm using two types of onions. I'll be using white Spanish onions. I'm going to caramelize the white Spanish onions to be put on top of those smashed turkey burgers with that melted cheese. And I'll use some fresh sliced red onions. We'll saute these onions right here and make them taste very delicious on this turkey burger. This smashed turkey burger that's going to be so juicy. You're going to enjoy every bite of this wonderful and delicious turkey burger. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I know it's kind of been here and there, hit and miss, because I'm doing a lot of other things while I'm trying to make videos, and it's like a one-man band so far. These are my prepared turkey balls that I made already. There is 80 turkey and 20 chicken thigh grinded up inside of the turkey, along with a few ingredients. So make sure you get your skillet ripping hot. We're just bringing it together. That's what we want to do by smashing it down very lightly, but getting them edges thinner so that they can give a nice crispy edge. So someone asked me, do I do catering work? I do catering work. I serve the Philadelphia and New Jersey area. We're going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes, and we're going to flip it just as well to get that nice crispy edge on this smashed turkey burger. From beef to turkey, and it's still delicious, and all the ingredients is that you can add into this juicy turkey burger. You can make this for your family and they will enjoy this just as well as if you were eating a beef burger. But it's nothing like a beef burger, but here's a choice for you. This is a juicy turkey burger with beautiful crispy edges and melted cheese that we'll put on this, and we'll set this thing off. Get that turkey burger just right, double delicious and twice as nice. As you can see, the beautiful brown marks on it. We'll add a little bit of cheese on here. I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description box for you guys. We got some onions on there, those fried onions that we fried up. This is going to be a double smashed cheeseburger. We'll make a little bit of sauce for our burger, and I'll leave the ingredients down for that just as well. This is going to be delicious, y'all. Y'all going to like this. I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description box for you guys. Try it at home. Try this recipe. We made some rusted fries using a little bit of Omaha potatoes. So we're going to put all this together. I'll be right back with you, and we're going to set this thing off. We're going to make this double-decker smashed turkey burger. There you go. It looks good, scrumptious, yum. Give me some. I know you're going to like this. We're going to have to take a big bite of this. Let you see it's a juicy double-decker smashed turkey burger with all the right trimmings and flavor to it, along with some rustic fries and a little bit of Parmigiano Romano on that and fries to set this thing all off. We toast our roll, and you can use any kind of roll you like, but I choose to use these rolls. It's a delicious double cheese smashed turkey burger with crispy edges and melted cheese dripping down the side of it with so much juice and flavor in it. You would really enjoy this. I'm using 80/20 turkey and chicken thigh ground up together. This is preferably one of my go-tos in the summertime, something light and delicious and easy. It's actually everything predicated to what you put in it. That's mainly what it is. So you know I gotta taste this. Let's get a big bite of this. And you know I can't leave y'all without tasting this first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you and tell me what I could have done a little bit better for you to make it all happen all over again in a different way. Crispy, juicy, and better than a takeout any day of the week. Make it once, and I can assure you you'll never look back. I'm Mike G. Until next time, God bless. I'll see you on the other side. Don't forget to watch the videos, and you've been flavorized. Again, I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie coming straight into your kitchen, making everything flavorized. So you, this day, have been flavorized. Until next time, much love. God bless. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie, and you've been flavorized.